Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Ochilima Titanium Microneedle Derma Roller. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a Ochilima Titanium Microneedle Derma Roller. This one has 3mm long microneedles and 540 of them. So taking a look around the box packaging, there's some product information as well as caution information, as well as the different models with their different micro needle lengths. And now let's go ahead and open up the box, but of course popping open the box flap and sliding the contents out from the box packaging and just checking through, making sure nothing else is left behind. You can set the box to the side, so let's set it on the right hand side of the table and giving you a look at this Ochilima Titanium Microneedle Derma Roller. And just setting it on the tabletop so you have a nice full and clear view of this Derma Roller. Okay, let's pop it out from its packet. So it comes in a sealed packet, as you can see. Let's tear it open and slide the Derma Roller out from its clear plastic packet, and you can see that it is packaged or boxed in a clear plastic case. So there is a protective plastic case for the Derma Roller. And once again giving you a full and clear view, just setting it on the tabletop right there. And now let's open up the case, and of course giving you a close-up look at the details of the case as well. Let's give you a look at that round or circular SRS holographic sticker, and of course popping off the lid of the clear plastic case and giving you a look at the Derma Roller resting inside the case, and popping the Derma Roller out and just closing the case back up, setting it to the side and giving you a look at this Ochilima Titanium Microneedle Derma Roller. And to give you some idea of the size of this Derma Roller, just going to rest it in my palm so you have some idea of the size and scale of this Derma Roller. So you can see that it does have a glossy black handle or body with rounded and contoured styling or design. And taking a look up close at the roller itself with its 3mm long titanium microneedles. So of course giving you those close-up details of this Derma Roller. And just rolling it gently to give you a look at that overall. Rolls of microneedles and giving you some idea of the, once again, design and overall construction of this Derma Roller. So of course taking a look around the various aspects of this Derma Roller, and of course with its glossy body, the camcorder is struggling slightly to achieve focus on it, but now focus is back on the derma roller, so you can see once again giving you as close in view as possible of those 540 titanium microneedles. And these ones are 3 millimeters long. And now giving you a further out view once again for some sense of the size and grip of this derma roller. So with its lightweight plastic body or handle, and of course designed for grip and security as well. And just to give you some idea of the movement of or rolling of the derma roller itself, I can feel straight away those very, very sharp, even with some very, very light pressure. Let's once again get the camcorder to focus back in on the derma roller, and just with very, very light pressure I can feel those very sharp micro needles pressing into the back of my hand. And just giving you another idea of the roller, the derma roller right there. Of course, it can be stored away back in its clear plastic case. So that's the Ochilima Titanium Microneedle Derma Roller. Thanks for watching and happy rolling!